Hey guys, welcome to H&S Academy. In today's video, we're going to talk about a free VPN app called Super VPN. It's a very popular app with millions of downloads on Play Store. So let's see how we can use that. So first thing you need to do is to download the app from the Play Store. So open up the Play Store app on your phone. And on Play Store, you need to search for Super VPN. And this will be the first app which pops up on your Play Store. So you just need to go ahead and install the app. I've already done the installation, so I'm just going to go ahead and open up the app. As you can see, it says best premium VPN, but we are going to use the free version for now. However, if you're interested in some additional features or more servers, etc., you can go for the premium version as well. So here we are on the home screen of the Super VPN, and here, as you can see, it says VPN is ready in the middle. So you just need to click on continue. When you click on continue, you'll get to this screen, and here you just need to click on the connect option. Now before I click on the connect option, I had already done the installation of this app. So if you're using the app for the first time, you might see a couple of pop-ups on your screen with the before you get to this screen saying to allow something, which means that you're basically allowing the app to run in the background. So it will ask for a couple of pop-ups. So you just need to click on the allow option on both of those. So when you click on those, you will get to this screen over here, and then you need to click on connect. You might see a couple of ads here and there, but you can just simply close these. As you can see, we are now connected. You can see the key icon on the top as well. This will usually appear on your phone when your VPN is connected. And once your VPN is connected, you can now go back to your home screen and you can use any of the apps as you like, and the VPN will stay connected at the background. So that's all there is to this app, and this is how you can use the Super VPN app. It's a free app. You can use it for free. So hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments what you use this VPN for. With the recent pandemic situation, a lot of us have to work from home, so we usually use the VPNs if we're working with some international companies, etc. So let me know in the comments how this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.